Okay. Which one is it? That one. Which one? These many.
Welcome, guys. Welcome, everybody.
Hi.
Hello. Right now, we're trying
Hi.
as many as possible before we can start. But welcome, everyone, to Introduction to Forex Trading. And yeah, so I'll just give it 2 more minutes before I start. And then, yeah, so let's wait for other people to join us. Kindly, to improve the quality of our meeting, mute your mic unless you want to ask a question and you're given the permission to. For now, let's all try to mute our mics. Thank you.
I mean, I'm trying. I don't think it's okay.
You just need to go, I think somewhere up or down. Then there will be an icon that says mute. You'll be able to mute yourself.
Yeah, no, I got it. I got it. Thanks.
Okay. All right. Welcome.
Sharp.
Waiting room. Okay. All right. So there's about 12 people, yeah, that have joined us already. I think that's a good number for us to actually start. Let's see, 1 more minute. I hope you guys are excited as I am to be with us today. And I know people have been asking me a lot of questions and they want to know what do we have in store for you guys. So I'm excited. And just admitting people into the meeting. Okay, let's go ahead and start. So welcome to Introduction to Forex Trading. Our institution is Forex 1.6180. Just to start, I will tell you what inspired our name. It is the Fibonacci, which is part of the Forex trading stuff that we will learn about once we are deep into the technical analysis and once we understand more about what we're supposed to know in Forex. So we are here to say, let's get together, let's do this, and let's shake poverty. So can we kindly mute our mics so that there's no echo when I'm talking? Try to mute your mic from your side. Okay. So let me go on. The two presenters that will be hosting this message is myself, Bonolo Mtloung, and the second part will be taken by Marvin Mukize. So welcome everyone, and I hope you are ready. We are going to cover the most common questions that we've been getting from people as I've been posting results, as I've been talking to people with Forex, and most people were asking me these 3 common questions. And the questions are, let me grab my pen. Sorry. Okay, the questions are, excuse me 1 moment. Okay, so the questions that we are going to cover today is, what is Forex? When do I trade? Because people were saying, oh, we are trading and we are missing out on trades. So, and we discovered that the main problem that makes people miss out on trades is the fact that they don't know when do they trade. When are you supposed to place your trade? Okay, so you might know how to analyze, you might understand Forex, you might have the most, trusted software. But if you don't know when should you put your trade, then you are likely not to succeed in the trading industry. So we're also going to cover what is the cost of trading, because people have been asking, how much do I need? Do I need 10 rands? Do I need 1,000? Do I need 50,000 to start Forex? So you are going to know all these questions. What is Forex? When I trade, and what is the cost of trading? So if you are really, really interested in learning more, make sure you are grabbing your notes and keep your questions until the end so that you can ask us. Yeah, and we'll try our best to help you. Cool. Let's start. Let's go ahead. Okay, so what is Forex? Forex is one of the largest trading environment in the world. So people are not aware that when they interacting with their finances in each and every day, and you exchanging things, and people have traveled, they are actually trading. It's trading. At the Forex trading, it's like one of the biggest markets where you can trade, and it has been it is generating over 4 million USD, 4 trillion USD in every day. So I'm undermining them. I'm so sorry about that. It's not a million, it's trillions in each and every day. So you can imagine you and I coming into the Forex market and saying, we want to start trading. Sorry, I think people are trying to. Can we kindly mute our mics? Please mute your mic.
Hello.
Okay, that is so nice. That is very cute. I think that's a good thing. Watch Forex with your kids, because it doesn't. You don't start when you're older. So I actually like that person who has their child with them. Okay, so they are generating a lot of money, and you can imagine where you are as a person in the market, and you should think about your goals, your financial goals, and where you want to go in this Forex industry. Okay, next one. Kindly mute your mics, guys, to make it a better experience for everyone. Okay, what makes Forex trading exciting is that you don't trade, I think Poppy's iPhone, can you kindly mute your mic? Close your mic.
Poppy's, close your mic.
Oh, okay, I'll mute you for a second. Okay, cool. That's better. Okay, Forex trading is an exciting environment. This is because, you know, when you are opening a shop, you are obviously trading. You are saying somebody comes into your shop, they put in money, and you're expecting to make a profit at the end. But the difference with Forex is that you don't sell something for 10 rands and expect 5 rands profit. You can leverage your account. So it is possible to take $50 and make it $1 million. That's what I mean about leveraging your account. But don't take your hopes high, because we're going to break it down and tell you about the reality of Forex. But by leveraging, it means you can trade as little, and you don't have a limit that from 20 you will make 10. From 10 you will make 50. You can go as big as possible in the market. Okay. Now, okay, let me try to minimize this also. Sorry, I'm just trying to make a better view also the side. Okay, yeah. Forex is also the largest single market, like I've mentioned already. There's stock exchange, which is something that we are personally in our institute not focused on, because they are making about 75 billion a day, okay? And the Forex trading, which is what we are doing, they are generating over 40 trillion USD a day, okay? It is a 24 hours, 5 times a day market. But now we know everything is growing. Things are growing every day. You can even trade Saturday and Sunday. Before we used to say to trade from Monday until Friday, but now you can trade the whole week. So there's different markets that you can trade even on weekends. There's always buyers and sellers. It's unlike other trading worlds where you don't know when are you going to get the buyer, when are people going to sell. But in this one, you would always know that there's always somebody willing to buy and there's always somebody willing to sell. Hence, there is like a going up and down of the charts that we see, okay? So here's our question. What is the cost of trading? How much? Okay, there's always two currency pairs. Like when you are trading, there's a buy and sell, and there's two currency pairs, okay? So if you have, for instance, I've made an example here. We have a Euro USD. And how much does it cost? It depends on the PIB that is set by the market. So different markets set different PIBs. Hence, it is very important that you have a tutor and you do your research before you can start trading. This is where we guys come in and say, you know what, I think you should choose ABC broker because this broker has a better leverage. This broker has a better spread, okay? So how would you know those things if you just going around and asking for signals? Hey, give me signals. Hey, give me signals. Oh, I want to make money. These are the kind of things that we are going to cover with you. We're going to make you understand the spread of your broker, the pips, and the percentage that you'll be spreading. So this is one of the examples that I've given. So if you have questions, keep them for the end of the lesson. Okay, now we are covering the third point. When can I trade? As I said, 24 hours, 5 times a week. Okay, so Monday to Friday. But if there are exclusive indices, like the veracity indices that you can trade over the weekend, we will cover those more. But now let's focus. When does the market open? It opens at 6 Australian time and it closes at 5 New York time. So in South Africa, because I know most people are from South Africa here, the market opens at 12 a.m. on Monday and it closes around the same time, 12 at Friday. Okay, so between that time, you can trade, you can make money, you can sell, you can buy anytime, after work, before work, in the morning, midnight, it's flexible. All right, now this is the most important thing that most people do not teach you. And this is what makes us unique as okay. What makes us unique is the fact that we know that you can have the best strategy. We know that you can have the best mentor. You can have the accurate, when they say this is an accurate signal, somebody tells you that buy right now. This is accurate. They give you a sell stop, they give you a take profit, but you can still lose. These are things that make people lose. It's the psychology. All the traders will tell you that trading is 80% psychology and 20% strategy. All other things, they fall under 20%. So if you work on your psychology, your mindset, how you see things, how you see the market, your financial goals, then you are likely to succeed in trading. So according to my experience, where I've went wrong First, we go in, we are greedy. You see the profit, it's there. You're supposed to close, you're not closing. You are staying. And then the market retraces. That's where you need to know your stop loss. That's where you need to know your take profit target. And if you don't know those kind of things, you are not going to succeed. You are not patient. Whenever you see a candle going up, you go in. When a candle goes down, it's red. The green one goes up, you go, woo, let's buy. When it's going down, woo, let's sell. Then you are not patient. You see people doing things and you want to copy, thinking that you're going to succeed. And you will never succeed if you are not patient in the Forex market. The other thing that we go in without is we don't have goals. If I can just ask one person in the group, why do you want to trade? Ask yourself that question, write it down. And this should be like the main thing that you ask yourself. Do I want to trade because I saw Bonolo posting her results? Do I want to trade because I have long-term goals? So this is what you need to ask yourself. What are your goals? Can I ask somebody to tell me what is the reason for you to say, I want to trade now?
Financial freedom.
We want financial freedom. Yes, we are tired. We are so tired. We want financial freedom. That is a good goal. But let's say now you get your financial freedom, okay? You get $1 million tomorrow. What are you going to do with it? Are you going to be fulfilled and say, oh, finally, I'm done? Do you want to trade 1 year and then get the money and then go out of the market? What is your biggest goal? You know, whenever you do something, you need to have a bigger drive. If you're driven by money only, then you might lack. So this is where we come in also to mentor you and to say, every day we'll be telling you this, we guide you because we know that the market is very tempting. We are tempted to make so many mistakes. We've been there, we've done that, and we know what happens. You are not being realistic sometimes. You go in there, you bring in 10 rands, and with 10 rands, you want to make 1 million. You see that the market, you saw somebody doing it because people are manipulating things. They are showing you a lot of things and they make them look so real that you are tempted. I've been there, done that. I will tell you about my personal experience with the people that have mentored me before. Okay, we cannot take losses, meaning that you see that you are on loss. You're supposed to close and say, it's okay. I've lost 1,000 today, but there's another day. The market is open 24 hours. Okay, so we cannot take losses. Oh, I'm sorry about this. I was supposed to write consistency. We are not consistent. Yeah, meaning that we are just doing things, a lot of things, and you are not consistent. You must have a structure. I have a structure that I can personally share with the people that I'll be mentoring after this. Okay, cool. So who are we? The people that are hosting this message. Why do I have to tell you all this? We are here to say, let's shake poverty together and let's bring trading home. I don't want you to be the kind of trader that goes out of this, like my mentoring, and then you go out and you say, you see trading as something that is unreachable. Trading is for everyone. No one is bigger. Even if I'm your mentor, you can become better than me. So we are here to say, we shouldn't see trading as something that is far from us. It's just here. You shouldn't be relying on someone to analyze the market for you. If we want to analyze the market for you, you should have seen, you've been in my group and people have been asking for signals. And so far, I didn't give signals. Why? Because I want people to shift their mindset from being spoon-fed. Okay? You go there, you open your own charts and you'll be able to analyze for yourself. It is possible. I know it, I'm doing it, and I'm showing the results every day. Every day when I'm trading, yeah. We have experience and we are here to grow with you. We will provide signals, yes, and mentorship tutorials, and we have some softwares, okay? So we are going to tell you all about the package that we have and what we're gonna offer you so that you become a better trader. And we believe that each person can analyze and understand the market. You don't need anyone to do it for you, okay? So I'm not here to show you that, nah, I am a master, you know? At a certain level and I'm showing you that I have a Lamborghini and I'm doing this and you stay there. You will never reach my level. I'm here to say, let's break poverty. Let's take it one step at a time. I've been doing it for some time. I was not sharing my experiences because I didn't see a need. But now I feel that it is time and we are here to share. Okay, let's move on. Why working with us? Like I've mentioned, I'm repeating the point. You don't need signals and robots. You will never need that. Somebody said in the group that, oh, you placed the trade with the robot. And no, we don't need robots. We analyze the market every day. We believe in excellence and we hope to shift the mindset. We want to leave our 9-to-5 jobs. We are so tired. We want to leave them. Okay, I will not tell you, but even if your job can pay good money, it will never reach the standard of Forex trading. Trading has some sense of freedom that you really, really need and that I've gotten. You don't like go to work with the fear that your boss will say, go out, like, you know, you're fired tomorrow. No, okay. We've spent time learning and we know strategies of self-learning. You can learn on your own and we're gonna teach you how to do that. All right, let's go to the truth. Truth. Now it's time for the truth. I'm sure you've heard of it, but it's the truth. There's social media, and we are all tempted to make quick money. People look happy on social media, but in real life, if you go to their houses, that's not the truth. So we need to change that. That is one of the facts. Forex signals without proper education, they will never give you money. If I just come and say sell, you will never make money. I've been there. I've been in groups, you know, I get into a group, I pay my money, and then they say sell. That's an example. They say sell, and I start selling. Okay, sorry. They say we have about 9 minutes. Okay. I think we'll have to start another meeting and we'll send you the link if we run out of time, okay? So they will say sell and you go in, you sell and you fail. But people are posting results. They say Shaya, they say Hamba, they say wow. And you ask yourself, I took the same signal, but I'm failing. Okay, I'm gonna rush. We are rushing into the fleshy life. We want to get the cars, the watches, you know, we want to be seen. And that's not the reality. It doesn't work. It doesn't work. Okay. I will tell you my story in the next session if we get time, because now we want to move into the analysis. We want to show you how we analyze the market on our own, because I'm sure that's the most important thing. And we will create another link in case the meeting ends, and everyone please come to that meeting. We will share the link on WhatsApp and other platforms. Please, yeah, bear with us on that. So I will not go into my story. I will do it later. So what should you do to become part of us? Firstly, we've sent a link because we have a trusted broker. I've already explained why we trust our broker. They have the best spreads, and so they don't manipulate the spread so far. And they give you a lot of things, you know, like your withdrawals are quick and stuff. We have a good experience. So you have to download the MT4 also. So I'm gonna hand over right now. Sorry to be rushing, and then we will cover other things later. Okay. I'm going to hand over now to my partner to go through the analysis.
Okay, that was so quick. Okay, now I think we're gonna jump onto the analysis. Thank you, Bonono, for the information. It was motivating, you know. It got me back to when I started trading. Okay, my name is Marvin. I've been trading for a long time now. Bonolo is my partner. We've been working together for quite a while now. You know, we've been through a journey for like 2 years now. So I'm quickly gonna share my screen because I don't want to be wasting time. You know, I don't want to be making noise. I just want to give you what I think you deserve. You know, and actually we're gonna give you a course. This is a free course for you. We think that you deserve it. Okay, let me go through this.
Can you stop sharing?
I'm back. So I'm quickly gonna share my screen. Here we are. Share. Okay, we're good. So we are on Nasdaq. Since we all know that Nasdaq is the most paying. I mean, I've been trading gold. A lot of people who have been on our signal group, they know that we have been killing gold. Huh? There's no sound. There's sound. There's sound. Okay, so they know that I've been killing gold for quite a while. So what you need to know is that when it comes to analysis, because we don't want people to be depending on signals, because we get a lot of people joining our groups. The next thing what they do is they take the signals and then they sell signals to their students. That's why a lot of people blow a lot of accounts, because you take signals, you pay for signals from other people, but at the end of the day, you don't have education. You don't know what's going on into trading. And trading is simple. Just that you know our fellow South Africans don't want to share the knowledge with other people. People will come with softwares and tell you that, oh, we are selling a Gatli, selling this type of system, and it's gonna make you wealthy. There's no such a thing, because some softwares sometimes repaint, you know, so you cannot be consistent. So I don't know if we still have enough time, but if we don't have time, I think we'll create another meeting and send it over to people. If I've sent you a link, send me a message so that I can give you a new link. If Bunolo sent you a link, send her a message so that she can be able to be giving you a link. So okay, let me be short because we don't have the whole night. I'm just gonna show you simple things. What you need to be doing is that you need to go to a daily time frame. So this is the daily time frame chart on Nasdaq. So what do you look for if you want to know the overall, the bigger picture of the market, where the market is heading? If you want to know your trend before you can go to lower time frames, before you can execute your trades on 15 minutes, your 5 minute or 1 minute for sniper entries, what you need to know, and always do this when you trade. When you get to your charts, if you don't know the charts, we're gonna break this down. We're gonna educate you, you know, in terms of the charts and the platforms that we're using, so that you can be familiar with that, and so that you can be able to download, you know, and get your practice platforms. So what you normally do is you check the current price of the day, because this is a daily time frame. So you come to your current price, daily price, and then you check your support. So it's easy. This is our support for the day. So I'm quickly gonna do this. This is a support because our price it's trading at this level. You don't look at this because this is a daily time frame. It means that this has been happening for the past few days. So you look at the current price for today. So this is our current price, and as you can look at it, if you could have analyzed this chart earlier today, we could have taken like a buy. We've been on a buy with Bonolo today. We made a couple of dollars, couple of rands, thousands on this position. So our market has been an uptrend. So what you normally do, it's simple, it's easy. There's no strategy here. There's no software that you need to use. This is easy. You just go to your daily time frame, put your support um, triangle line here, and then head on to your H4 4 hours time frame, and then look for your resistance. So this was our previous resistance here. As you can see, why do we call it resistant? Why do we call it support and resistant? This means supply and demand. So here, this is our supply and this is our demand zone. Okay, so these are the important factors that you need to be looking at. You need to look at trading as business, because it fluctuates. You need to know what moves the market. You need to know your timings. You need to know the volatility in the market. At 3:30 US time, Nasdaq is always volatile. Why? Because the US market opens. Like it's general knowledge. It's something that you need to educate yourself on. Okay, what we're doing now is technical, but what I'm telling you about the timings of the market, it's fundamental. Those are the things that you need to learn as well. So this was our major resistance before the market broke out to this level. I'm not sure if you're gonna understand it, but I'll try to make it simple. I'll try to use simple terms for people who are still new in this. So now this is our resistance and this is our support.